Hey, welcome back to my channel. Mytee products, 4-pack, 2-inch chain ratchet. Pack size, 4-pack commercial grade auto towing straps ratchet WG70 12-inch chain extension 2-inch by 8-foot strap with RTJ cluster hook working load limit, 3,335 pounds webbing capacity, 12,000 pounds. Commercial grade auto towing straps. Ratchet WG70 12-inch chain extension. 2-inch by 8-foot strap with RTJ cluster hook. Working load limit, 3,335 pounds, webbing capacity, 12,000 pounds. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.